Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by validating basics so uploads don't fail later. First, update iOS and Snapchat. Outdated system files often break uploads. Then, open settings and make sure camera, photos, and microphone permissions are allowed for Snapchat because the app needs access to read and export media. Once done, free storage and force close background apps to prevent write errors. This step removes common barriers so when you attempt an upload, the OS and app both have necessary access and space to complete the transfer. Next, isolate connection and app state problems. You should try switching from Wi-Fi to cellular or vice versa because captive portals or DNS issues can block upload endpoints. If the network looks fine, toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to reset radios and then reconnect. Within Snapchat, go to Settings Clear Cache. Clearing cache often resets stalled uploads without losing your account. Finally, force quit and reopen Snapchat to ensure the app restarts with a fresh network session and cleared temp data. To finish, perform deeper fixes when basic steps fail. If uploads still fail, back up important saved chats and media, then uninstall and reinstall Snapchat. Reinstalling replaces corrupted app files. If that doesn't help, reset network settings in iOS. This clears DNS and routing problems, but removes saved Wi-Fi passwords, so be prepared. If issues persist, test uploading from another iOS device using your account to determine if the problem is account side or device side. Troubleshooting tip: if uploads work elsewhere, contact Snapchat support with device logs and timestamps.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.